Imagine you're waiting for a package. It's been days, maybe even weeks, and still no sign of it. You start to wonder, where is it? What's taking so long? Now, replace that package with your hard-earned money. You've invested it in Raiz, hoping for a brighter financial future. But it seems like your money is taking a leisurely stroll, rather than sprinting towards your investment goals. Why does Raiz take so long to transfer money? The breakdown. Let's break down the factors that can contribute to Raiz transfer times. 1. Regulatory compliance. Raiz, like any financial institution, is subject to a myriad of regulations. These regulations are put in place to protect investors and ensure the integrity of the financial system. Think of these regulations as a security checkpoint at the airport. You might have to go through a thorough screening process before you're allowed to board your flight. Similarly, Raiz has to ensure that every transaction complies with these regulations. 2. Fraud prevention. In today's digital age, fraud is a constant threat. Raiz takes steps to protect its users from fraudulent activities. This can involve additional checks and verifications before a transfer is processed. Imagine you're online shopping. Before you confirm your order, you might be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone. Raiz employs similar measures to ensure the safety of your funds. 3. Internal processes. Raiz, like any company, has its own internal processes. These processes are designed to ensure that transactions are accurate, efficient, and secure. Think of these processes as a relay race. Each department has a specific role to play in the transfer process. If one department is delayed, it can impact the overall timeline. 4. Market conditions. Market conditions can also influence transfer times. For example, during times of high market volatility or when there's a surge in investment activity, Raiz systems may experience increased load. Imagine a busy highway during rush hour. Traffic is slow and congested. Similarly, Raiz systems might be under pressure during peak times, leading to potential delays. 5. Technical issues. Technical glitches can occasionally disrupt the transfer process. This could be due to system maintenance, software updates, or unforeseen technical problems. Think of your internet connection. Sometimes it's slow or unreliable. Similarly, Raiz systems can experience technical difficulties that impact transaction times. While Raiz strives to process transfers as quickly as possible, various factors can contribute to delays. Understanding these factors can help you manage your expectations and avoid unnecessary stress. Remember, investing is a long-term game. While occasional delays might be frustrating, they shouldn't deter you from pursuing your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.